Welcome to AsadTech Edge, your go-to channel for the latest in AI and technology. If you're an engineering student looking to boost productivity, improve learning, and simplify complex tasks, AI tools can be a game changer. In this video, I'll introduce you to some of the best AI-powered tools that can help you in coding, design, simulations, and even report writing. Let's dive in. 1. ChatGPT, AI-powered study assistant, helps in understanding complex engineering concepts, assists with coding, debugging, and writing explanations, can generate summaries, notes, and solutions for engineering problems. Example: imagine you're stuck on a thermodynamics problem. ChatGPT can provide step-by-step explanations and alternative approaches. 2. Wolfram Alpha, advanced computational tool. Great for solving complex mathematical and engineering equations. Can handle calculus, differential equations, and physics simulations. Provides step-by-step solutions, making it a perfect study companion. Example: need Laplace transforms or circuit analysis solutions. Wolfram Alpha does it instantly. 3. MATLAB AI, engineering simulations and data analysis. Best for numerical computing and AI-driven simulations. Useful in machine learning, control systems, and signal processing. Offers AI-powered toolboxes for automation and optimization. Example: you can train a neural network for an engineering project right inside MATLAB. 4. SolidWorks with AI features, smart 3D design and modeling. Helps in CAD modeling with AI-powered automation. Reduces design errors and optimizes engineering workflows. Supports generative design for innovative product development. Example: SolidWorks AI can suggest design improvements and optimize structures based on real-world conditions. 5. Codeium, AI coding assistant for engineers. AI-powered coding companion similar to GitHub Copilot. Helps engineers with code suggestions, debugging, and auto-completion. Supports multiple programming languages used in engineering projects. Example: if you're writing complex algorithms for robotics or automation, Codeium can save you hours. 6. DeepL AI-powered technical writing assistant. Enhances research papers and technical documentation. Provides accurate translations and improves clarity in writing. Ideal for writing engineering reports and project documentation. Example: writing a research paper. DeepL can refine your content to make it more professional. These AI tools can revolutionize the way engineering students learn, design, and code. Whether you're solving equations, running simulations, or writing reports, AI is here to make your life easier. Which tool do you find most useful? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AsadTech Edge, and hit the bell icon for more AI and tech insights. See you in the next one.